Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all and enjoy the class on accounting concept. Here we'll discuss user of accounting information. That means who are the users of accounting information. Second, function of accounting. What are the function of accounting? And third one, business entity form. That means different type of business entity. User of accounting information. Who are the users of accounting information? Basically, two types of users of accounting information. One is external users, another one is internal users. Now question, who are the external users and who are the internal users? Internal users are those who are involved within the organization. They are the internal users like manager, officer, internal auditors, self staff, budget officer, controller. They are the internal users of any business organization who are involved within the organization. They are the internal users. Another one is external users. External users are those who are outside of an organization but related to that organization. For example, lender, shareholders, governments, customers, external auditors, consumer groups. They are the external users of accounting information. সাধারণত অ্যাকাউন্টিং এর ইনফরমেশন দুই ধরনের ব্যবহারকারী থাকে। এক হচ্ছে ইন্টারনাল আর একটা হচ্ছে এক্সটার্নাল। ইন্টারনাল ইউজার বলতে আমরা ওই ধরনের ইউজারকে বোঝাই যারা ওই অর্গানাইজেশনের ভিতরে অবস্থান করে, ভিতরে কাজ করে। দে আর দ্য ইন্টারনাল ইউজার্স। দেখ, যেমন ম্যানেজার, সেল স্টাফ, বাজেট অফিসার, কন্ট্রোলার, ইন্টারনাল অডিটর, অফিসার, দে আর দ্য ইন্টারনাল ইউজার্স অফ দ্যাট অর্গানাইজেশন। আর এক্সটার্নাল ইউজার বলতে প্রতিষ্ঠানের বাইরে তারা অবস্থান করে কিন্তু প্রতিষ্ঠানের সাথে তাদের সম্পর্ক থাকে, এই জন্য তাদেরকে এক্সটার্নাল ইউজার বলে থাকি। যেমন গভর্নমেন্ট, কাস্টমার্স, external auditors, customer groups, lender, shareholders. They are the external users of accounting information. Function of accounting. What are the function of accounting? There are some function of accounting. Number one, to express all the transaction in terms of money as a common denominator. Second, to record the economic event in daily basis. That means journal. To classify in ledger with systematic way. To summarize the asset, liabilities, revenue, expenses and owner's equity. That means trial balance. To measure the changes of those resources, claim and interest. This is balance sheet. To manage the resources held by the specific entities. To prevent corruption in an organization. To ensure the responsibility to the workers. These are the function, these are the activities of accounting. Business entity forms. Basically three forms of business entity. One is sole proprietorship business, partnership business, and another one is corporation. Sole proprietorship business is a small business owned by one person that has unlimited liability. No legal formalities are required for the formulation of a sole proprietorship business. The business is not subject to an income tax, but the owner is responsible for personal income tax on the net income of the entity. Second, partnership business. Partnership is a business owned by two or more people called partner who are subject to unlimited liability. An agreement enforceable by law is a contract. In a contract, there must be number one, an agreement. Number two, the agreement must be enforceable by law. The minimum number of partnership firms is two and maximum number of partnership firms member is 20. In case of banking company, the number of member not more than 10. That is called 10 number of member in banking companies. Third one, corporation. Corporation is a business that is a separate legal entity. Those owners are called shareholder or stockholders. These owners have limited liability. The entity is responsible for a business income tax. Minimum 2 number of member and maximum 50 members create in public limited company. And minimum number of member is 7 and maximum number of member is limited by the share in public limited company. In government company, government share is 51% and another share is 49%. These are the three form of business entity for